Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be unboxing the Logitech gaming keyboard G110. I saw this on Newegg a few months back and I thought it was a really nice alternative to the G15. It's basically kind of the same setup except for it doesn't have that top LCD display up there. I went and got this at Micro Center locally for about 80 bucks, and I'm just going to pop it open. The neat thing about this is that it's illuminated. You can do red and blue with different variations of like purple, and then it has programmable macro keys up here, which is really nice. It also, on the back side of the keyboard, has a USB, and it also has microphone and headphone jack too, which is cool. Instead of running it all the way to your computer and having cords dangling everywhere, you can just run it to the back of the keyboard. So I'm going to pop this open and take a look. It's got a pretty nice feel to it. I mean, nothing special, in my opinion. It feels like a decent quality keyboard. You got all your programmable buttons up here, your macro buttons. I think this switch must switch you between colors. I don't know. I'll plug it in and I'll do a quick little video, kind of just doing an overview of all the options for this. But it has a little volume control button here, a mute button, just kind of some multimedia buttons there. Then you got your headphone mute and your microphone mute, which is nice. That, I don't know, that may be your backlit display light button there. And then of course you have a USB, and then your microphone headphone slots right there. Overall, pretty nice keyboard, it looks like. I'm kind of excited to get it plugged in and see how it looks all lit up. See what else is in here. I think there should be some type of, yeah, there's a wrist. Comes with a wrist support. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not. It takes up a lot of space, but I can't say I've ever used one before, so I might give it a try just to see if it's got a better feel when you're on the keyboard for a long period of time. Comes with a software CD, I guess some drivers. Also, from what I've seen, I guess you can do some custom variations of the color. You know, the mixing with the purple and the red and the blue. I think the purple is just basically them mixing the red and the blue together. So there's 3 different LEDs. I think there's just red and blue in there, and they just mix the 2 together to get the purple. So nothing special in there. No cool stickers to put on my case. That kind of stinks. It's a CD. I always hate those unboxings where they sit there and the guy spends 30 minutes on looking at the CDs and the literature in there. I mean, that is freaking retarded, so I hate that. So we'll just get a better look at it here. Another, because you guys just want to see the keyboard. That's what you're all about. Me too. I've got the G500 mouse, so I was at Micro Center and it was only $4 more for the Darth Adder or whatever it was keyboard, which looked really slick, but I figured since I already had a Logitech mouse, then I'd go for the keyboard too, so that it's all matching. From what I've read, this is quality-wise, this is just as good as like the G15. It just doesn't have a lidded LCD display up there. And I don't think the G15 has multiple colors either, which I like. Depending on what mood I am, I'm going to change the colors around a little bit and change the colors to match my desktop background. the G500 mouse I have lights up red, so. But all of the lights on my computer for the the LED fans and everything are blue. So I don't know, decisions, but there it is. It's got a pretty long cord too, which is going to be nice. Tell me what you guys think. I'll do another video here with it all plugged up and show you how the macros work. I'm kind of interested to see how you set those. It looks like it has 3 macro keys, which will be nice for when Star Wars The Old Republic comes out. Feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to be doing some more videos in the future here, so if you guys have any suggestions on something that you would like me to do a review of, I'm completely open to anything. I'm going to pick some stuff up on Newegg and Micro Centers to kind of do some unboxings, and I'm going to do a few builds just to kind of spec a few things out. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay guys, I'm back. I got it all hooked up and it looks pretty good. I'm relatively happy with it. Quality seems decent. It just seems like a high quality keyboard with programmable macro buttons, an LED backlit display, and some multimedia keys. So I mean, it's nothing special. I don't know if I would have spent the money unless I had gotten the money for my birthday, being that it was 80 bucks. But definitely if it was on sale for like 60 bucks or something like that, I'd definitely pick it up. I think I would have probably gotten the Razer. Now, but I did look at some reviews on the Razer, and I guess it's got some noisy keys. The keys on this are really quiet. Very quiet. And I got my USB headphones plugged into it. Works really well. So overall, it's a nice keyboard. I probably would have bought it again. I mean, I have the Logitech G500 mouse, which I don't know if you guys can even see that or not. But just keep it all Logitech. You got your macro buttons up here, which you can program for different profiles. Each one of you got macro 1, macro 2, macro 3, which can change you can program the color in, and each profile allows you to do a little something different with your macro keys. So you got your macro programming key right there. You click that, then you click the macro key you want to program. It starts to flash. Then you go ahead and put in your sequence of keys. You want to do F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, whatever you want to do. Then you hit macro again, and it's done. Which is, I can't wait to try that out. I just reinstalled Windows 7 on my computer, so I don't have any games that would really use a macro right now. But I'm looking forward to giving that a try. Quick little look at my desktop here. I got the dual 19-inch monitors rolling here. And I got this program called Display Fusion. That's what you're seeing there. It lets you do dual monitor displays, or dual monitor backgrounds, which is really nice. It's called Display Fusion. My desktop there. If you can see, it's a little dark. Here's my computer. It's a cooler Master Stacker case, if you can see it at all, with a customized side window and the round side window that I did myself. And I've got, if you can see in there, I don't know if you can or not, kinda. I've got the 4 gigs of G-Skill DDR2 memory, 800 megahertz, a GTX 260 Core 216. It's the overclocked version. Very nice card. I like it a lot. I've got a Core 2 Quad Q8200 overclocked at 3 gigahertz. Runs very well. I also have a custom Thermaltake Northbridge cooler on there to keep the Northbridge cool, because overclocking that quad really heats it up. And then you probably can't see the power supply down there, but I got an OCZ 600 watt power supply with 4 12-volt rails at 72 amps combined, so I like it a lot. Anyways, but that's the keyboard. So I got all Logitech everything. My Logitech speakers, which I don't know if you can see those or not. Logitech keyboard G110 and the Logitech G500 mouse. Feel free to rate, comment, subscribe guys, and I will catch you later.